Today we are making this onion tomato sandwich recipe. It sounds very simple. It is actually very simple, but the taste is fantastic, guys. We will get a crispy sandwich with a juicy filling inside. This recipe was my childhood favorite recipe. I'm recreating it today. Let's get cooking. This is a super simple recipe, guys. Take 1 onion, 2 tomato and 2 green chili. Along with that you can take some coriander leaves which will bring the fresh flavor. We have to chop all of these finely. So first I am chopping the onion. After that we are going to cut the tomato also. The tomato has to be double the quantity compared to onion, and that brings the juiciness in the sandwich. So that is the main ingredient in the recipe. I'm a big fan of chili, so my mom uses like 2 green chili. If you want to make it less spicy, you can also use 1 green chili. So the green chili, tomato and the onion is chopped, and I'm taking a little bit of coriander leaves also. I had this pre-chopped. Now we are going to add a little bit of salt into this. 1 teaspoon should be fine. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and then we are going to mix it together. See how everything is getting ready in this chopping board itself. The filling is ready. This looks very simple, but there is magic in this, guys, as every ingredient is bringing a different element of taste. Crunchy, juicy, fresh and spicy. It's going to be a blast of flavors. This is ready for now. We are going to take bread slices and then we are going to spread this filling. This recipe will be good for 3 sandwiches. Just apply the stuffing evenly and then we will cover it with the second slice of bread. And now we toast. There's a big tip here, guys. You have to make this recipe in an iron tawa for the best experience with desi ghee. You might be thinking, what is Yaman doing with ghee and sandwich together? Trust me, guys, what I'm speaking here. Butter has 80% fat and about 15 to 16% moisture, whereas ghee has 96% fat and 0 moisture. What do I mean by that? There is 15% moisture in butter, and when we make the sandwich in tawa, that moisture evaporates and the sandwich doesn't get very crunchy. So for the best experience, try to use desi ghee. You can take like half a teaspoon of ghee, apply in the tawa. After that, place the bread on top and then press it, toast it for like 1 minute. Also do apply the ghee on the top area of the bread. And then we are going to flip it. 1 more minute on the bottom side and our sandwich is ready. Just remember to keep pressing it. So in about 2 to 2.5 minutes the sandwich toasts and it gets ready. After it is golden from both the sides, we can take it out. The first one is done and now we are going to make the second sandwich. The process is the same. You can apply a little bit of ghee. And don't worry about the smell, guys. Many kids go away when they listen the word ghee because they don't like it. Even as a kid I didn't used to like it. Here I am toasting the second sandwich. I am literally experiencing nostalgia right now, as this recipe was my evening snack in the childhood. Mom used to make it every now and then and I used to enjoy it. In fact, ghee literally makes the sandwich extra crunchy, as I said earlier, so you must try it. For me, the second sandwich is also ready. Let's take it out, slice it into 2 and enjoy. Crunchy, fresh and spicy it is inside, guys. I mean juicy also it is inside. We just need a sweet element and that comes in with the ketchup. So you should definitely serve it with a little bit of tomato ketchup, or you can also serve it with green chutney if you want to. I personally like the tomato ketchup. So how did you like the recipe, guys? If you also enjoyed it, click the like button. Do try it. It was a big part of my childhood. I'm 100% sure you will enjoy it. If you did not like it, click the dislike button. See you soon with one more video. Bye, take care, happy cooking.